Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this soft and sweet blanket. It's just one row repeat, so easy to make, and for the border I just made single crochets and picots and it looks fabulous. I hope you like this one too. And for this blanket I used a cuddle ombre from Utopia Crafts. Super chunky yarn. 100 gram is 45 meters. I use more than 15 balls. That's the 16th. And I use 15 millimeter hook. You can use 12 millimeter too if you are a loose hand crocheter. I just want to make it not too dense, you know. Height is 140 centimeters, width is 120 centimeters. It's a rectangle, and I hope you like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and we can start now. For this bigger size, I started with 61 chains. You can start with any odd number. Now I'm gonna make a little sample. Make a slip knot. I'm gonna make 11 chains. Once you complete the chains, just turn back, okay? Skip this first chain. Insert into the next without yarning over. Insert, grab the yarn, pull through. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Into this next stitch, we are gonna make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's all we're gonna repeat. Into this next chain we are gonna put a single crochet, into the next we are gonna put a double crochet. A single, double. Single, double. And complete with a double crochet. Chain 1, turn. For each row we are gonna start with a single crochet, complete with a double crochet. Into this first stitch make a single crochet. If you are a starter, you can put a stitch marker here. Okay, this will be our last stitch. Into the next, put a double. You see there's a double crochet. Into this double crochet stitch we are gonna put a single crochet. Into this single crochet stitch we are gonna put a double crochet. Single, double, single, and don't miss this last one, a double crochet. chain 1, turn and repeat a single, a double. We will repeat this as long as we want. Then now I'm gonna make it a little bigger, then I'm gonna show you how to make the border. I made this piece a little bit bigger. That's where I started, that's where I complete. That's the right side of our work. Now chain 1. Into this first stitch, I'm gonna put a single crochet. Into the next, put a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets in a row. But you can change this, okay? You can make 6 single crochets and a picot, or 3 single crochet and a picot if you want to make more picots. I think 5 looks good for this size blanket. You see? Chain 3. And for the picot, you see this stitch and the loop. Just a second. This loop, this front loop, we are going to insert from here, and this post left leg here. Just turn, insert, and insert from the left leg. Grab the yarn, pull through. One, I start from the next stitch, okay? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's make a picot. 3 chains, turn back, and make a picot. Now into this same place, put 1 more single crochet. That's our corner. As you know, we have single crochets and double crochet post, side post here. If you see a single crochet here, you are gonna put only 1 single crochet around this side post. If you see a double crochet, you are gonna put 2 single crochets. 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? Now we made 1. You see this double crochet, there is a stitch and there is the post. You can put 1 here and 1 into this post. We made 1, 2, 3. Now we have a single crochet, insert into the stitch, put a single, and double crochet stitch, put 1 more single, and that's the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, make a picot. Let's see, into this next space, put a single, last single crochet stitch, put a single, into the stitch, put a single. Now we made 3, and we can make the last one into this post here, or into this chain. I'm gonna make it into the chain 4. As you can see, we don't have 5 single crochets here. It's not too important. I'm gonna make the picot right now. If you have 6 single crochets, it's not important again. If you have more, you can divide it. Make 3 single crochets and a picot, then 3 more and a picot. It's up to you. Okay? It will not look bad. Don't worry about it. 1, 2, 3. Into the same chain, I'm gonna put 1 more single crochet. And now we are gonna put 1 single crochet into each chain. 1, 2, 3. I'm hiding the tail, by the way. I'm working around it. 4, 5, 6. And that's the last one. Make a picot. We are making the last side. Put a single crochet into same place. Okay, that's a double crochet, that's a single crochet. So we made 1 here into this double crochet stitch. Put one single crochet, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, we don't have 5 for the sides. Make the last picot, join from this first stitch with a slip stitch. You can make 1 more chain. And we will hide the tail. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.